Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of our beloved, unpredictable, crazy gold. And we can see that gold is an uptrend. Gold is right now trading around 3340 area. And if we look at the market structure, then yes, technically the market is bullish. Gold was forming lower lows and lower highs. And after hitting a low of 3120, okay, the trend of the market has reversed. And now we can see that gold is bullish. But still, my dear friends, we need to be careful because gold is full of surprises. For example, during the US session, if a sudden selling pressure comes and we see gold going below 3290, then the picture will change again. Then the market sentiment will change again. So you need to be very much alert if you love to trade on gold. My dear friends, if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold approaches 2-week high. Gold rose toward 3340 per ounce on Thursday, gaining for a fourth straight session to reach a near 2-week high as investors sought safe haven assets amid growing concerns over the US fiscal outlook. So if you're wondering why gold is going up, then my dear friend, this is the reason. Risk sentiment weakened following the release of a proposed US federal budget that could further widen the already large deficit, compounded by Moody's recent downgrade of the US credit rating due to the rising debt levels and the Fed's cautious outlook on the economy. So we can expect that this market sentiment will continue to dominate gold. But to be honest, I don't think so that gold will be going for a new all-time high or gold will be able to break 3500. So obviously we can see that gold is bullish. So respecting the onward trend of the market, we need to be looking for buy positions only. But at the same time, I'm also not very bullish to believe that gold is going above 3500, or at least in this situation, I don't think so that we are going for a new all-time high. Okay, but anyways, this is market, and obviously as a retail trader, we have no other choice apart from following the trend of the market, and trend of the market is bullish. As a result, we need to be looking for buy positions only. But as I said, okay, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden drop in the market, selling pressure is very high, market breaks 3290, then the market sentiment will change again. Okay, so now let's look at the current trading opportunity. Levels, to understand the levels better, we are on the 15 minutes chart of gold, and now we can see that after making a high of 3346, okay, gold is showing consolidation. So if market comes down, especially before the US session, if market comes down, we can look for support around the previous resistance, which is 3325. So around this area we can look for a support. If you see the market is taking support, market is showing price action from below, you can hit the buy button. The second level where you can look for a buy position is around 3315. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy. If market takes support, do not gamble. Okay, as I said, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, big green red candles on the chart, then obviously you need to avoid buying. Okay, so the 3325, 3315 are the two levels where we can look for a buy if market comes down for retracement. And when market doesn't come for retracement, then what is the strategy we need to follow? We need to buy at breakout. So here we can look for a buy above 3347, but you need to be a little bit careful because 3350 is very near. 3350 is a round number psychological resistance. So if market breaks 3347, you can look for 40 pips initially. After 40 pips, if you see that market has potential, then you can continue. Otherwise, it can be a false breakout as well. So if you go for a buy at breakout, also be careful because there is a possibility that market may face some resistance after going above 50. Okay, and right now we can see that there is not much volume in the market. If market remains like this, then obviously market will face trouble. So buy at retracement or buy at breakout are the two opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Try to avoid trading on gold in this particular portion of the market, because we can clearly see the market is flat, market is consolidating. As a result, okay, not much to discuss here. But during the US session, if things change drastically, then obviously you need to follow that. Now let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, then I will update in the Telegram community. If you're still not a part of Telegram community, feel free to join. Link will be in the description and the and also on the screen. Okay, you can scan the code as well. And my dear friend, if you're looking for a reliable forex broker, then StarTrader can be the best solution for you, because StarTrader is not only a highly regulated, safety wise top-notch broker, but it also provides one of the lowest spread in the industry, that too on a standard account. If you love to trade on gold, then your spread will be only 17 without any commission. Okay, and StarTrader is top-notch safety because of the regulations. You can see StarTrader has the license from UK, ASIC, Australia, SCA, FSCA, FSA, and FSC, and it's also provide compensation up to 20,000 euros, because it's also a member of the Financial Commission. And my dear friends, if you are from India, then you'll also get a swap-free account. Means if you hold your trades, there won't be any charges. So you can see these are the spreads mentioned on the website here. Okay, hope you'll like it. Okay, and you can open your account here. Okay, I have mentioned everything. Recently, we also had a conversation with the CEO of StarTrader. If you want to watch, you can also watch the video from here. So feel free to open your account in StarTrader. Okay, the link will be in the description.